Welcome back to Engineering Graphics and CAD course code U24ME107. I am V Rakesh, Assistant Professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. In this video lecture, I am going to explain one problem in projections of solids inclined to both HP and VP. I have taken this problem from Engineering Drawing by N.D.Bhatt textbook. Problem number 13.26. A square prism with the side of its base 40 mm and axis 70 mm long is lying on one of its base edges on the HP in such a way that this base edge makes an angle of 45 degrees with the VP and the axis is inclined at 30 degrees to the HP to draw the projections of the solid. My dear students, first note down the given data. First identify the given solid. That solid name is square prism. That means the solid bottom surface and top surface should be in the shape of square and four edges connected with four rectangle face. That is called square prism. He has given one important data, that is base edge length is 40 mm and its height or axis is 70 mm. The first condition is this base edge makes an angle of 45 degrees with VP, that is pi equal to 45 degrees, and the axis is inclined at 30 degrees to the HP, that means theta equal to 30 degrees. Dear students, first let us assume this square prism is on the HP and axis is perpendicular to horizontal plane. In that condition, you need to draw the initial top view and initial front view. In this case, when the axis is perpendicular to the HP, you can see this image. This is the square prism. Bottom surface and top surface should be square. Let us assume bottom surface you can represent with A, B, C, D and top surface 1, 2, 3, 4. Initially, this square prism is on HP and axis is perpendicular to HP. In that case, we need to draw the initial top view and initial front view. In that case, we can see the true shape only in the top view. So first draw the XY line, then draw the one square below XY. In this problem, he has not mentioned below HP, above HP, in front of VP, behind VP. So you can assume 10 mm or 15 mm below XY. Then draw the square with the given dimension, that is 40 mm. This is the 1 of A, 2 of B, 3 of C, 4 of D. Because when you are seeing from top side, this top surface is visible. That means 1, 2, 3, 4 surface visible and bottom surface A, B, C, D invisible. So you can represent these corners with 1 of A, 2 of B, 3 of C, 4 of D. That means one corner visible, top corner visible and bottom corner invisible. So you can represent 1 of A. Similarly 2 of B, 3 of C, 4 of D. For identify the axis point, here the axis means joining of bottom surface midpoint and top surface midpoint, that is called axis. So you can join diagonal point, that means DB and AC. You can get the intersection point, that is called axis. Here I have taken that O of P, that means top end point O, bottom end point P. So O is visible, P invisible. Okay, after this you need to give the dimensions. You can represent to the left side of the square. Draw the extension line. You can take this at 10 mm. You can keep 1 or 2 mm gap between this extension line and this square. Second extension line. Now draw the dimension line. You can write the text at the center of this dimension line, that is 40. After this, you need to draw the projectors up to xy from this D point and C point. So when the observer is seeing from this side, so these should these points, these edges visible and bottom edge is invisible. That means front surface, that is AB21 surface visible and CD43, this surface is invisible. So you can represent this. This is the A dash of D dash. That means A corner visible, that backside corner D invisible. So you can write here A dash of D dash. Similarly, this is the B dash of C dash. This is the P dash. Okay, after this, he has clearly mentioned that this square prism height means you can take axis length, that is 70 mm. So from each and every corner draw the 70 mm line from A dash, from B dash, then join those endpoints. Next, also draw the axis line. Next, give the notations. This is the 1 dash of 4 dash, this is the 2 dash of 3 dash. You know that 1 2 corners visible, that is near to observer, and 4 3 corners backside of that surface. So 4 and 3 corners invisible. So you can represent 1 dash of 4 dash, this is the 2 dash of 3 dash. Then give the dimension, that is 70. First draw the extension line, next dimension line. You can drag the text at the center of this dimension line, that is 70. This is the initial condition. In the second condition, this axis is inclined at 30 degrees to the HP. You can once clearly observe this image. Here the front view, these two longer edges, that means 4 longer edges are parallel to this axis line. So you can take any one of these edge or axis. This also makes an angle 30 degrees to the HP. So here one more condition, that this base edge is on the HP. That's why I'm keeping this B dash of C dash. These edges should be on HP. This condition clearly mentioned in the this second line. Its base edges on the HP. Here I'm taking one of its base, that is B dash of C dash. BC edges should be on HP or on XY. So you can locate one point on XY. Let us take this is B dash of C dash. From this point draw the 30 degrees line. This length is equal to this axis length, that means B dash 2 dash. This is the 2 dash of 3 dash. Here this edges, that means this AB or CD, this edge is perpendicular to this longer edge, that is B2 or C3. So from B dash point draw the perpendicular line. That length is equal to 40 mm. This endpoint is A dash of D dash. From A dash of D dash point draw the 70 mm line, that is parallel to this B dash 2 dash line. This name is 1 dash of 4 dash. Now join 1 dash of 4 dash with 2 dash of 3 dash. Next, also draw the axis line. So here the axis these points O dash and P dash points are exactly at the midpoint of these edges, shorter edges. So you can keep a midpoint of this A dash B dash, that is P dash. Similarly 1 dash 2 dash midpoint is O dash. Now join those points, you can get the axis line. This is the 30 degrees to the HP. Okay, this is the second front view. After this, from each and every corner points draw the vertical projectors from A dash point, from P dash, B dash, 1 dash, O dash, 2 dash. Similarly, draw the horizontal projectors from this initial top view, from third point, from O point, from second point. Now apply the continuous lines and dashed lines rules. First we need to join the new outer line object. First we need to locate the intersection points. Here A dash vertical line, A horizontal line, that intersection point is new top view, that is A1. Similarly B dash vertical projector, B horizontal projector, this second top view point B1. Similarly C1, next D1. Next 1 dash vertical projector, 1 horizontal projector, the intersection point is 1 1. Next similar 2 1, 3 1, 4 1. Okay, after this uh, apply the dark and dotted lines rules. So first we need to join outermost points for getting the second top view. Here the outermost points are A1. Also look at the P1 O1 point, that is axis points. Next join the outermost points D1 A1, A1 2 1, 2 1 3 1, 3 1 D1. Then identify the observer direction, the observer watching from this top side. So this 1 2 3 4 surface is visible to observers. So uh, 1 dash 4 dash edge is visible to observers. So you can draw the continuous thick line. So join 4 1 1 1. Then B dash C dash edge is on XY and away to observer. This edge is invisible. So you can join this B1 C1 with dashed lines. Okay, after this, this is the second top view. For constructing third stage, once again read the question carefully. Here the base edge makes an angle 45 degrees with the VP. Here the base edge is base edge is B1 C1 or A1 D1. These edges makes 45 degrees with the vertical plane. First draw the 45 degrees line with XY. Then transfer this second top view with respect to this 45 degrees line. So first locate one point on this 45 degrees one, that is D1. Next measure this. You know that D1 A1 length is 40 mm. You can take your compass, D1 as center, locate the A1 point. Next here D1 3 1, A1 2 1. These two lines are perpendicular to this D1 A1. From D1 point draw the from the A1 point draw the perpendicular line. Similarly from D1 draw the perpendicular line, and also locate the what are the points on that respective perpendicular lines. Take your engineering compass, measure D1 C1 length, D1 as center, draw the arc on this D1 perpendicular line. This is the C1. Similarly take the radius D1 41 radius, D1 as center, draw the arc or locate the point on this perpendicular line, that is 41. Last one is 31. Similarly take A1 B1 radius, A1 as center, draw the arc on this perpendicular line, that is A1 B1. Next take A1 11 radius, A1 as center, draw the arc on this perpendicular line, that is 1 1. Next 2 1. Now join 2 1 3 1. Here 1 1 4 1 is continuous thick line. Next B1 C1 is a dashed line. This is the third top view. After this, from each and every corner point draw the vertical projector to get the final front view. From A1 point B1 D1 C1 or 1 1 4 1 2 1 3 1. Next draw the horizontal projectors from second front view. From 1 dash, from A dash, B dash is already on XY, no need to draw again. Next identify the locate the intersection points. A1 vertical projector, A dash horizontal projector, the intersection point is A1 dash. This is the final front view point. Similarly B1 vertical projector, B dash horizontal projector, the intersection point is second final front view point, that is B1 dash. Similarly C1 dash, D1 dash, next 1 1 dash, 2 1 dash, 3 1 dash, 4 1 dash. Now apply the dark and dotted lines rules. So first we need to join outermost points. So here outermost points are A1 B1 dash, C1 dash, C1 dash, 3 1 dash, 31 dash 41 dash 41 dash 11 dash 11 dash a1 dash a1 dash b1 dash. Next, decide the direction of observer when the observer watching from this side. So here 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1, this surface is near to observer, so this surface is visible to observer. So join 1 1 dash with 2 1 dash 2 1 dash with 3 1 dash, so this surface is invisible. Then d1 a1 d1 c1 is away to observer and near to xy. These two edges are a1 d1 d1 c1, then c1 4 1. These edges are invisible, so you can draw join with dashed lines a1 dash. uh, Before this, uh, this b1 2 1, this edge is also near to observer, so join with continuous decline b1 dash 2 1 dash. So then apply the dashed lines rules, that is d1 is near to xy and away to observer. So what are the edges are connected with d1 dash, these edges are invisible, that is a1 dash d1 dash d1 dash c1 dash d1 dash 4 1 dash, these three edges are invisible. So this is the final solution for the given problem number 13.26. Okay, I hope this solution is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.